Okay, so our new piece of music, which I'm excited about because I think it's great, is Blue Moon, which I'm sure you are all familiar with. It is a two-part piece, so we will split you down the middle like we did in The Entertainer. And seconds, you start. You haven't got much of an introduction. Have three notes and you are in. There's some other things that the arranger has made it very clear about how he wants it doing. So if you look at your copy that will have come out with this email, you can see that you've got some little symbols. So in the beginning, you've got do 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 do, and you can see that do at the end of the first line. You've got some little lines underneath the notes, and this features all the way through the piece. And basically, it means that you scoop. And as you know, I normally do not let you scoop, but in this instance, you've got to scoop because that's the instruction from the arranger. So, and first you'll say blue moon, and all the way through, that features. If we look at the geography of the piece before we start it, and we obviously start at the beginning, the seconds come in before the first, and the first come in at bar 5. You follow it all the way through to the bottom of page 7, and then you go back to page 4, and at bar 13 you can see a squiggly thing at bar 13, and that means you pick it up back there, and then you sing it through to the bottom of page 6, where you see the word second time decoder, and at that point you turn over to the last page and sing it through to the end. There's only one other little instruction from the arranger, which is in the second last bar that you sing. So you can see on the word love, you've got a longer line going in the opposite direction of the other little lines, which means scooping. And that basically means it goes the other way. So first you would sing, without a love. So you just scoop down, and second you would sing, without a love. Like that. So it all becomes crystal clear, I hope. So here we go. Remember what I said? There is not very much introduction. Blink and you miss it. Here we go, seconds, you're in. Blue moon, you knew just what I was there for. You heard me saying a prayer for someone I really could care for. And then there suddenly appeared before me the only one my arms will ever hold. I heard somebody whisper, please adore me. And when I looked, the moon had turned to gold. Blue moon, now I'm no longer alone. Without a dream in my heart, without a love of my own. Ooh. You knew just what I was there for. You heard me saying a prayer for someone I really could care for. And then there suddenly appeared before me the only one my arms will ever hold. I heard somebody whisper, please adore me. And when I looked, the moon had turned to gold. Blue moon, now I'm no longer alone. Without a dream in my heart, without a love of my own, without a love of my own. Without a love we'll go back and we'll do it for the first. Let me just get back to the beginning. Here we go. Blue moon, you saw me standing alone, without a dream in my heart, without a love of my own. Blue moon, blue moon, blue moon, blue moon, whoa, whoa, blue moon, blue moon, oh. And then there suddenly appeared before me the only one my arms will ever hold. I heard somebody whisper, please adore me. And when I looked, the moon had turned to gold. Blue moon, now I'm no longer alone, without a dream in my heart, without a love of my own. Ooh, do 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 we do ba do 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 da do do ba do da ba da da ba do ya do da do ya do 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 do. Blue moon, blue moon, blue moon, blue moon, whoa, whoa, blue moon, blue moon, oh. And then there suddenly appeared before me the only one my arms will ever hold. I heard somebody whisper, please adore me. And when I looked, the moon had turned to gold. Blue moon, now I'm no longer alone, without a dream in my heart, without a love of my own, without a love of my own, without a love of my own.